What's up, guys? We're out here today at the sawmill and we're going to be making a concrete frame or a concrete slab to be setting this thing up and getting it completely level. What we're going to do is make like a post frame and make it all level with that. Yeah, we tried to dig and it's just way too hard to dig right here. There's rocks everywhere. But we're just going to be making that frame and we'll show y'all that.
All right, guys, we got the whole frame put together and now all we got to do is go level it up and get it all square and then get the concrete and put it in there.
Yeah, we're actually going to fill it with rocks like most of the way and then just put concrete on top of it, you know?
Yeah, exactly. Alright guys, so we got this whole frame leveled up and now we're ready to pour the concrete. What we're going to do is we're going to get blocks and stuff, some blocks and some rocks and fill it, and then we're just going to fill in on the top layer like where the board is with concrete, you know, just to save concrete and money and stuff like that. But that's basically what we got to do next, just start filling that and putting the concrete on there.
Alright guys, we got this all leveled and filled in with dirt. And now we just got to put concrete in it, you know, and get it all screeded off and straight. Mo right there, he's the inspector and he approves, dude.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, so we actually figured out a better way to do it. We just ran 4x4s across for the legs. And then we got the whole motor mounted up right here. We just got to turn that around and put it on there and bolt it down.
Alright guys, so we got this thing, the headset on there, and the one thing that we got to change is these pulleys. We went and back and looked at the instructions on them and they are backwards. We got to run this cable right here up to this one first and then down to this one and then to the little winch back here. Yeah. But then it should like lift up there just fine, you know?
Exactly. Guys, so we fixed the pulleys. It lowers really easy and raises really easy. And the next thing we gotta do is go ahead and put the push bar on there. And we'll show y'all guys that.
So we got this push bar on right here. Now you can push this up there anywhere you want to. And also, we got those keepers down there. Just keeps the thing from bouncing off.
Yes, sir.
Hold it around there tight. And the next thing we gotta do is put this throttle cable on, and you control that right here, and you just like rev it up whenever you're going to push your lumber through, you know?
Yes, sir. All right, guys, so we got basically everything put together. All we gotta do is put the blade on here, the throttle cable, and the water. And basically that's it, and it'll be complete. But it's getting dark on us, so we'll catch you guys tomorrow in the morning.
All right, guys, it's the next day out here. And actually, we went ahead and put this whole thing together. We had to tweak a few things, like the head. We had it on there the other way, and we had to turn it around. And we already got this log set up here and 2 slabs cut off of it. And we're gonna go ahead and show y'all how it cuts. All right, so we got a 4x4 cut out of that, and we got a few 1x over there, but they're not really the greatest. But this one, it turned out decent. But what happened was on our first cut, this thing right here, this is what like lifts the whole sawmill to get it like what measurements you want, you know?
This right here, yeah.
And this, it's a tensioner belt around there, or a cable.
Yeah, there's a little cable.
It wasn't tight enough, so it let the whole thing fall while we was cutting, and it got it off kilter, you know what I mean?
Yeah, when you hit the throttle, it shook it.
Yeah, like dropped it, you know?
Yeah.
But we did get this board cut, and it's roughly a 4x4, like 3.5 by 3.5.
Yeah, it's a little off, but our next one's gonna be a lot better, dude.
Yeah, but that's gonna be it for today's video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.